Hi and welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us at the Titus product stage. My name is Igor Bergant, and in this section we will talk about the latest and most innovative push-to-open systems for handleless cabinets developed by Titus engineers. We invite you to chat with our engineers and specialists if you have any additional questions. Cabinets without handles are nowadays a standard part of the product portfolio for manufacturers of kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms and other interiors. There are considerable fashionable features that appeal to many consumers. Also, we can see obvious practical advantages for hygienic cleaning and no protrusion into living spaces. But there are also efficiency gains for manufacturers from reduced complexity in terms of manufacturing processes and stock management. And we have exciting news. Recently, Titus complemented its push latch technology know-how with the push-to-open expertise of the Kinetics division from the German company Simon Group by acquisition. So this year we would like to introduce the most innovative push-to-open solutions for drawers, pull-out organizers, cabinet doors, hinged furniture doors and interior sliding doors available on the market today. Let's see what these new solutions are. We have here with us Titus experts in push-to-open systems to talk us through this exciting topic. They are Cristian Cagliani, Group Development Manager, who has a lot of experience in research and development and process engineering of precision components. He directs the product design process, and as product manager he looks after the Titus portfolio of drawers. Christian Drent, Director for the Kinetics division, who has remained in this role since the Titus acquisition and provides valuable sliding system experience and knowledge for a wide variety of applications and industries. Dejan Kochevar, Product Manager for Concealed Hinges at Titus, who boasts a long career in sales, key account and product management. He utilizes his extensive market expertise for coordinating the development and launch of new concealed hinge solutions for the global kitchen and RTA industry. And Aaron Thompson, Titus Tekform State Manager of Victoria in Australia, who has 20 years of experience in kitchen and furniture hardware sales, working closely with major kitchen manufacturers and builders to improve consumer experience in their home and kitchen. Trends these days are moving toward a more subtle and sophisticated push-to-open solutions. We can see that you have launched some completely new concepts. Shall we discover more about the latest solutions and the story behind them? Christian, Titus has been successful with the push-to-open hinge solutions for a decade. Recently, you've made an investment which increased your level of expertise in this area. Well, how did this come about?
An important upgrade to our competence in this product group occurred in 2020 when Titus acquired Kinetics, a division of German company Simon Group. Apart from well-known soft closing system for sliding door, Simon Kinetics developed an expertise in push-to-open system for drawer and sliding doors. In combination with the Titus experience in push latch, we have established a push-to-open platform which provides application for drawer, pull-out organizer, furniture doors and also interior doors like a pocket door, slide and hide systems.
Well, I know that your bestseller in this category is Push Latch, which has now been upgraded into the next generation. Well, what new features can your customers expect from the second generation of push-to-open systems for handleless hinge doors?
Handleless furniture is a standard part of furniture ranges, and push-to-open systems are widely used around the world. Furniture manufacturers are aware that consumers nowadays pay more attention to details, so we created it with this in mind. We have decided to upgrade the product with Titus' established confident close concept that walks a fine line between just enough and too much softness in the door closing action. The Titus next generation push latch incorporates a softener that controls the motion, making the opening action decisive but soft, bounceless and precise. Also, the opening movement is neither too slow nor too fast. The closing action is confident and reliable and always right the first time. With the next generation of push latch, we follow the trend of furniture doors, opening softly to eliminate the unnecessary bouncing of doors at the end of the opening process, and the whole sequence is quiet and slow in motion. In this way, we can offer a truly satisfying experience to a customer wishing for both soft opening and gentle closing movement for their furniture closing mechanisms.
And the design looks great.
Push latch always comes with a steel cover, which makes it universally applicable across a range of cabinet styles and colors, either in nickel plating or Titus TerraBlack, a dark matte and non-reflective surface.
But to have a complete solution, push to open needs to be applied to other functional hardware as well. Drawers are for sure a must, right, Christian?
Our push-to-open system for drawer is a universal, flexible and modular concept which provides a push-to-open function, not only to double-wall drawers but also to various pull-out system and wire baskets. We can confidently say that this system stands out in terms of its efficiency. It's a one-for-all. One mechanism fits various drawer sizes and is assembled with a fast, intuitive place and fixed mounting. It's important to mention that the system is highly tolerant, which assures a reliable performance even if not all the drillings and installation are perfectly done. The system enables the operation of drawers with the lowest round gap available in the market, giving an attractive design. The gap is only 1.5 mm between the front and the carcass.
So this is obviously yet another example of Titus CAF, consumer assembly friendliness philosophy.
Yes, we can absolutely say that. Let's see Titus Zipline in action with our Tekform Zipline drawer.
But that's not all. Titus push-to-open expertise has been successfully applied to interior sliding doors, where it got an important upgrade. It combines push-to-open with soft opening and closing.
Yes, we have developed a solution that combines soft closing and push opening in a single mechanism and is conceived for pocket doors. Typically, a sliding pocket door in a fully open position stops slightly before the wall pocket, protruding and obstructing the area available for moving. Our Push Plus system allows the door to be without a handle and to retreat completely into the wall. To close, you activate it with a push. For maximum comfort, safety and silence in use, the same system also provides damping in opening direction.
Well, your example demonstrated the function on various interior doors, but I can easily imagine the benefits of this product in some other types of furniture.
Well spotted. The system design is based on a modular approach, meaning that with minor modifications and a combination of standard components, we can easily adapt to the specific requirements of customers and applications. Our compact design with soft close and push to open in one single unit opens multiple opportunities. We can think of pantry units and other sliding systems where handles are not wanted for aesthetic reasons.
We've already learned so much about the Titus push-to-open systems. Now with us we have Aaron, who will tell us more about the Australian market expectations.
Here in Australia, there's an obvious design trend towards sleek lines and elegant free cabinets, creating an increasing appeal of push-to-open. I can say it probably follows the trend of soft close. Every movement in the home today must be silent, soft, and as effortless as possible. It's a natural progression. In most situations, push-open design is determined by architects and furniture designers. At least I can say that for the Australian market. All big projects recently focus on handle-free elegance and practicality. Designers and architects are avoiding the use of handles, and this is where push-open solutions play an integral role. We are being asked more and more for push-open systems because architects demand it, and they demand it for every cabinet of every room in the home. Yes, it also solves some production and efficiency problems, but predominantly, push-open solutions are being driven by design here in Australia.
Well, I couldn't agree more, Aaron. Thank you for your evaluation of the Australian market. We see that there is a growing demand for furniture systems that are easier and more comfortable to operate. At Titus, their focus is engineering with a purpose. Furniture manufacturers can really choose from a wide variety of innovative solutions to provide their customers with dependable, comfortable and easy to operate furniture options. Today we can see a wide range for possibilities for handleless furniture, which have been designed for quick and easy assembly as well as for consistent and reliable performance during the entire life cycle. I hope Titus experts provided you with answers and insights into innovative push-to-open solutions. We thank you for your time. I'm Igor Bergant and I hope we see you on our next presentation.